PCML is built in collaboration with our people and our customers. From our Innovation Centre in Cambridge, we manufacture, assemble, quality check and test a range of equipment, from surgical robots and medical devices to 3D imaging and scientific instruments. Throughout the factory, we have fully integrated our engineering expertise, supply chain management systems and precision manufacturing to drive innovation, improve quality, expand output and enhance efficiency. In accordance with ISO 13485, we have invested in our clean room facilities and specialist engineers to ensure the safe and quality controlled environment necessary for the complex assemblies of medical grade devices. Our engineers are specialists in the design and manufacture of bespoke, precision-engineered, market-ready products. Partnering with our clients at the early design stages ensures the smooth delivery of products through our entire manufacturing, quality and assembly process, from conception all the way through to full production. For our customers, working with a single supplier simplifies the supply chain, allowing for greater control, increased reliability and quality assurance that ultimately reduce production time and accelerate your products to market.